Personal amadi professional relationship pu macha khaina khaidokpa ngamlaba matamda tungda luchingba misak ama oiba ngamgani haina Associate Professor Head Department of English GP Women College ki Dr. Sobana Laishram na fongdorli wafam asingasi developing leadership skills and discipline haiba hiramda GP Women College Imphal DMU gi Department of English na sinduna nomagi oiba workshop ki thoram ama ngasi GP Women's College ki Central Hall da pangthokiba thoram ga mari leinana fongdokibani thoram aduda GP Women College DMU gi Principal Professor L Rajan Singh 65 Girls Battalion NCC gi Resource Person Commanding Officer Colonel Padma Kumar amadi GP Women College GMU gi Associate Professor and Head Department of English Dr. Sobana Laishram na mathangsit na Chief Guest President amadi Guest of Honor oina saruk yaki mak na makhatara duna NEP inkumjalising aniga kungi soft skills syllabus ki sarukta yauriba communication emotion decision making na chingba quality sing asi haugatlakliba mahairoi sing na munna khangba hairaba matamda mahairoi sing na tungda luchingba misak ama oirakpa ngamgadoribani hariba skills sing siga mari leinana personal amadi professional relationship pu mahairoi amagi punsida macha khaina khaidoktuna discipline leina chatpa ngamna hotnabada chauna mateng oigani haiba wakhalona pangthokpa workshop amani haina haiki
Sigi se akoi satra sing dadi yam kanaba kano topic ama oiba kaigino habada NEP 2020 gi matungina sigi topic se soft skills da syllabus da yaurabani aduna angang sing sida sigi soft skills ki program se hanganba so that in order to enhance the qualities of their personal and professional relationships like sigi discipline and leadership skills se moida sigi ideas se laigadi moina kaidogda have the soft skills like for example adaptability, emotional intelligence, then communication siguma ma'am se these are all part of the leadership skills aduna angang sing da disi yam darkar oiba topic amani aduna akoina si da angang sing da kitang kana ba phangdaga hena sinjabani Department of English GP Women's College along with NCC GP Women's College.